Inside of Pocket Options, we have the service, the social trading service, and we can copy trades for another traders. It's how profitable can be copy trading if you don't know what is the strategy using this guy of the other side of your screen, and how profitable can be follow these trades. This is the result that I have in just today, and yesterday I have a few losses too. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out the money, and only 1, 3 in the money today. This is something we need to consider before to trade with with these guys. So right now I just want to try to recover that losses we have it on these days with my own strategy, and I want to take it and show you maybe my strategy can be more profitable if I only follow my own advice. The strategy is for binary options, the strategy is for 1 minute, and I'm gonna trade with $100 and trying to recover the losses that I have previously. All this happened. So I want to use this service to show you my results. I consider it maybe I can earn money, show you my trades to you guys, and I don't know, maybe have a few recommendations with this trade. I copied this guy with this guy, but the results was awful. I lost almost $500 in the last days. So I want to try to recover today with this live trading session, and wish me good luck because I lost it for $500 in these days and this week. So I want to recover these trades with my own strategy. Remember, I'm gonna trade in favor of the trend, follow the trend, using the stochastic, using the moving average, and using the RSI indicator too, and only follow the trend. Wish me good luck because I'm gonna need it. I want to try to recover everything today, only if it is possible for me. So I really hope so this video like it. I'm gonna leave it with this video and wish me good luck. So guys, this is my latest trades and I'm gonna stop it right now. I really hope to stay there in the money. And I lost $400, $500, sorry. And I'm trying to recover today that losses. And this is the results we have today with this reserve for binary options. We have 2 out of the money, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the money. So was a great results with this return for binary options. I'm not saying the social trading service inside the pocket option is bad. Maybe I follow the wrong guy, but maybe to the next time can make more money doing this. So this is the guys is earning money right now. Maybe I want to follow them, but for today I consider we recover the losses we have with the social trading. I'm gonna try to make more money the next week. I really hope so this video like it. The next week I'm gonna test it in but the signals inside this pocket option broker. I'm gonna follow the signals and let's go to check it out, and maybe we can have something good, earn money or not. Just copy the signal and we trade, copy the signal and trade. That's it. This is the way these guys trade. Let's go to change the amount, and we change the amount how much money we want to trade. We put $10 and we follow the signal. We copy the trade just like this. And this is the way this system works. The next video I gonna record in a full live trading. Follow these signals, copy the signals. But let's go to check it out. Maybe it's something good, maybe it's something doesn't work too well. It's for signal for 5 minutes. All this to my next video, the results, how much money we lose or we made with these signals. I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next way.